What is up, guys? Norris Digital Assets coming at you with another video. We've got a little bit more followers than we had in previous videos, 106 followers on Twitter, and we surpassed 800 subscribers on YouTube. We're closing in on 1,000, so if you haven't subscribed yet, help me get to 1,000. Thank you to all the subscribers so far. Thank you for the comments. I always enjoy any comments I get. I like the feedback. And I usually respond if you've got anything to say, any questions right now. You know, I got a lot of time tonight. I could probably respond to some questions below. If you got really anything to say, let me know in the comment section. If not, whatever. But click my logo down here in the corner. Click my logo and click subscribe, or click subscribe below like usual. Thank you to all the subscribers. I appreciate it. And we're going to be looking at CKB today. CKB, my overall thoughts on CKB is the fact that CKB, you know, you got all these people running around saying, oh, this is a sleeping giant, and this is going to blow up, and that's going to blow up. Everybody says every coin's going to blow up. Okay, we get it. But CKB, the Nervos network, I really see this one as one that everyone is sort of... It's not like a micro cap tiny coin. The market cap, let's take a look at the market cap on CKB right now. It's not a super tiny coin by any means. I mean, CoinMarketCap has it at 400 million. But I believe this is a coin that people are sleeping on and discounting. And I saw this on Twitter. This is exactly, I mean, this is what you got. Then people are going to be, you know, later when CKB makes some moves, it might get lost in the fray if we get a full bull run and all the coins are shooting into the sky. Well, CKB might not get that recognition, but I really believe CKB is one of those coins that's it's got a great future, and I'm not letting go of my CKB. I'm holding on to it. It's one of those coins that's right now it's ultra cheap. It's under 500 million market cap, and if we have that run, $1 billion would be easy for it, which is only double, and a couple billion should be realistic. I have my price prediction videos on CKB that I've released before. Nothing has changed on any of my videos, not the flash crash. Nothing has changed that until we see otherwise. Until Bitcoin goes below 28K, Bitcoin falls below 30K, XRP and these other coins, they all start to lose. They lose their golden crosses, and the charts say otherwise, and the sentiment changes. Until that happens, you know, my charts, my videos, none of the videos I've released on this channel have changed. So let's get into, I really enjoyed this, this picture though that was posted by, who posted this? Lucky posted it on September 20th. He says, I already told you the opportunity. Patience is really important. Patience is extremely important in the crypto market. It's what prevents you from selling in these flash crashes and all these corrections, and it really prevents you from chasing coins that are making massive gains while your coin sits still. You sell your coin to go chase some other coin. Right after you leave your coin pumps. The coin you left pumps, and the coin that you jumped into stalls sideways and corrects or consolidates. So patience is a virtue. So let's look at the chart on CKB. To be honest, this chart is better than a number of other charts out there. CKB has handled these corrections from Bitcoin and these other coins. It's handled it pretty well. This is CKB on Bittrex, so this is the volume on this exact chart. Volume, we've had some volume coming in. You had super low volume, obviously, through the summer. We got a little bit of volume coming in the last couple days. We're really, obviously, like all these other charts, it's super obvious, but we're trying to completely avoid the 20 EMA coming over the 55 and getting that cross, especially if it's pronounced. It can cross it a little bit and come back, but we definitely don't want a pronounced bearish cross on the daily. That's a terrible sign. That's what we don't want. but it's still, we've still got this little bit of spacing here between the 20 and the 55. If we can get some volume, a little bit of a relief rally, little bit of green candles on the 4-hour, we can avert this altogether as the market heats up. Like I've said in my other videos, based on many, many factors, I would be surprised. I said this days ago, that if we didn't see any action by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and especially the weekend, if we didn't see any positive price action, at least something, I would be very surprised. So I would say that today, you know, we saw that a little bit, not a ton, but we saw that a little bit. But Bitcoin up 7%, Ethereum 11%, 14% Cardano, 15 on XRP, 19 on Solana, 20 on Polkadot. So I mean, right there, you know, I was saying that a couple days ago, but I still expect even more upside when we get closer to October. There could be one more major correction where Bitcoin does go to 37K. Don't know if it'll happen. I'm going 50-50 on that. If that happens, Bitcoin's going to drag everything down with it. As far as CKB, CKB is holding plenty of support. If you look here on the daily, it's holding plenty of support. It's got these two candle bodies on, which is at 1.2 cents. We're currently at 1.4 cents, but you got these two candle bodies here at 1.2 cents. Obviously, if I throw a line in right here, you know, we've shown some support in the past on this line here when we were coming up, when we were going to print this bullish cross. But if you were to lose this 1.2 cents, if Bitcoin were to go to 37K, I would expect CKB to fall to this next line that I drew in. And this next line is 1.1 cents, which would be an absolute, if we got a bull run, which I do expect, 1.1 cents would be an insane steal for CKB. Insane steal. Sure, there was some time where you could have got some stuff in here. Easier said than done, because you don't know where the bottom is. There's no clear double bottom. You got these two wicks here that kind of hit and hit, but there was no double bottom where you had some here and then you came up and then you're here and you got a clean double bottom. There wasn't that. It's real hard to find the bottom on this stuff here, but 1.1 cents, and that is because you can see how this line that I have drawn in here on these candle bodies here, right on these candle bodies, not the wick, but right on these candle bodies, when we were going into the bear cycle, all through here, day after day after day, 1.1 cent, plenty of support, plenty of support. When if you were to lose the 1.2 cents here that we were just at, you're going to fall to the 1.1 cents, which, let's see here. If we measure that out, you know, we would fall. That's another 6%. We're playing with small numbers here. It was actually on 1.16 cents. 1.16 cents. Okay, so that is the support level, 1.16 cents. 1.1, 1.2, somewhere in there. Okay. If it does fall from where we're at now, if we wanted to measure that out, where we're at right now, that is a fall of 16%. So that is possible. And that's going to come down to, does Bitcoin go to 37K one more time and find support to complete an ABC correction, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 correction? Is Bitcoin going to go to 37K? Cardano to $1.77, XRP to 85 cents. Are we going to have one more correction to complete the job before the next run up? Or is the bottom already in and we can get closer to October and start making some movement? Only time will tell. Nobody really knows. I don't have a crystal ball. No one knows. No one knows any of this. You have all these people on Twitter posting all these charts and all this other stuff, and there's no context. And all these different people are charting, have completely different techniques and different stuff they're trying to show you, and there's no context behind it. So that's what I like about YouTube and about showing you this stuff live and showing you and actually talking through what's going through my head and what I'm seeing, etc., etc. Possibly here, a little inverse head and shoulders. So if we are to drop over, this is on the 4-hourly, so if we are to drop over the next like 16 hours, which will give you 4 candles because it's on the 4-hourly, that could possibly complete a inverse head and shoulders, and you could just measure that out and extrapolate that out and look to your next technical target of 1.6 cents, 1.62 cents, which would be nice if that happened, which good chance it does. If that happens, you know, we're not really, this is really zoomed in. We're not zooming out. You know, we could go out to the weekly or the monthly, and at the end of the day, CKB looks fine, looks healthy, looks perfectly fine. It looks as healthy as anything else in the market right now. So we're not really zoomed out, but if you came up to this 1.6, obviously you'd be coming up and you'd come above the 20 EMA, the green line, and you'd probably use it as support, and that would get you ready for that next movement up. If we go down, we're going to fall to 1.1 cents and find plenty of support like I explained here. Here, 1.1 cents, 1.1 cents day after day after day, 1.1 cents before finally losing it. So that's what we're looking at for CKB. If you're trying to accumulate more, 1.1 cents would be the spot. I mean, it's anyone's guess, guys. No one has a crystal ball, you know, but CKB looks good. CKB looks good. And a little bit of stuff on Twitter here, what Nervos has been posting, the Nervos Network on Twitter. They said they just posted this on September 20th, 2 days ago. Good to see CKB getting some recognition as a top 3 competitor to ETH. How far can CKB go? So these are a bunch of smaller coins here. You got Nervos at 416 million market cap, and you have all these other coins that placed it third in this Ethereum Competitors Part 3 chart on September 17th. Pretty cool. We'll take whatever we can get with CKB because honestly, it's definitely one of those sleeper coins that it could definitely move in as a top coin before people even realize it, and then get that recognition, just like HBAR and these other coins. So they also posted the same day, the biggest ever Cardano Summit is upcoming this weekend, coming up here soon, and Nervos team is proudly part of the event as speaking panels. So, you know, that's just something you love to see. Compare that to a lot of these other coins that people are saying everyone's sleeping on. You know, a lot of these coins hardly have any fundamentals. You're trying to figure out where the coin even came from. No one's ever heard of it. They don't even have an official Twitter page. They don't have anything really going for it. At least CKB, the Nervos Network, they're out there hustling. They're out there hustling, and it's a decent sized project. I'm sticking with my CKB. I'm not selling my CKB. I'm not getting out of it. I'm going to be holding it for a while, and at least till the end of this bull run. So that's really it for this video. There's not a ton to really say about CKB right now. The videos are obviously a lot more fun to produce when CKB and these other coins are starting to make these movements up, and there's all kinds of news, and the charts are a lot more fun too. But just wanted to do a CKB video. It's been a second since I did CKB. Trying to put out some videos tonight, and that's going to be it for this one, guys. So click subscribe below if you haven't yet. And I'd like to definitely put out more on CKB, and I would like to put out a lot more on HBAR also. So watch some of my other videos if you haven't yet. If I'm doing videos on any other coins, comment in the comment section below where you are watching from in the world. And that is going to be it for this video, guys. Not much else to say. And we will see ya in the next one. See ya.